How to share contact like your mobile number share in other Android one. So open the contacts apps like this and click here the profile icon and you show the option like contact settings. So click on the Google account and sign in settings and turn now backup like click here and Google contact sign up is successfully turned on and turn on now and starting Stynic and click here the also Stynic device contacts and on successfully and on now and start the sharing like this other Gmail ID transfer now your contact Stynic and successfully sharing your contacts. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.